The Internet of Things, IoT, has been a rapidly growing field in recent years, and the Industrial Internet of Things, IIoT, is a specific subset of this technology that is being applied to industrial settings. It refers to the use of connected devices and sensors in manufacturing, transportation, and other industrial applications. One of the main advantages of the Industrial Internet of Things, IIoT, is that it allows for real-time monitoring and control of industrial processes at a relatively low cost. This can lead to increased efficiency, improved productivity, and reduced downtime. Another key benefit of the Industrial Internet of Things, IIoT, is that it can provide organizations with valuable data that can be integrated directly into a data historian. The data then can be used to optimize their operations. For example, data on how equipment is being used can be used to improve maintenance schedules, while data on energy consumption can be used to identify opportunities to reduce costs. Industrial Internet of Things, IIoT, platforms usually use cloud-based servers that can be connected to field devices via cellular or landline communications. The data can be visualized to end users on a web explorer. Currently, the Industrial Internet of Things, IIoT, is being deployed in a variety of industrial settings, including manufacturing, transportation, and oil and gas. For example, in manufacturing, it is being used to monitor and control the performance of production equipment, such as robots and assembly lines. In transportation, it is being used to monitor and optimize the performance of vehicles and logistics operations. And in oil and gas, Industrial Internet of Things, IIoT, is being used to monitor and optimize the performance of drilling and production operations. However, despite the many benefits of the Industrial Internet of Things, IIoT, there are also some challenges. For example, security is a major concern as it involves the collection and transmission of large amounts of sensitive data. Additionally, there are also challenges related to the location of the server machine. Integrating with existing automation systems and processes can also be challenging. In conclusion, the Industrial Internet of Things, IIoT, is a rapidly growing field that is being applied to industrial settings. It allows for real-time monitoring and control of industrial processes and can provide organizations with valuable data that can be used to optimize their operations. However, there are also challenges that organizations must overcome in order to successfully deploy the Industrial Internet of Things, including security and data reliability. Australian Control Engineering is specialized in operation technology, automation system design, and implementation for utilities industry. If you would like to learn more about our capability and understand how we can help you accelerate your results, please contact us. If you want to access a written copy of this video, click the link in the description. See you next time.